That's the why you're bothering look, isn't it?
What are you making weird noises?
No, it's them playing with their new CCTV camera that you can speak now. I think they're funny. Every day this week I've had somebody shouting "bye" through the doorbell.
Sounded like a frog.
Yeah. So we got the doorbell on Prime Day because it was going cheap.
It still is, by the sounds of it.
And then
So anyway.
got a lovely shot of your arse as my live stream.
Well, your life now has meaning.
When does something lose the word shuttle? Somebody just posted a photo of 195's passing at Arnside and it said on the Barrow to Manchester Airport shuttle. I wouldn't exactly call that a shuttle. I'd call that a service train.
It's a service train. Yeah. I think anything that goes to the airport can be classed as one. But that's pushing it.
Yeah. Because it's a connecting service.
It's supposed to be from a city to an airport.
Right.
That's the purpose. That is what shuttle means.
Right. Okay.
If it was the Manchester side of the airport side of Manchester, yes.
Yeah.
It's back to being a shuttle, but no.
Yeah. Yeah. So if it was Manchester Piccadilly to Manchester Airport.
Yeah.
Right.
Best way of describing it is providing additional passengers for a larger service.
Yeah.
So those little buses that drive around the city centre taking people to the station are shuttles.
Yeah.
Anything that goes to the airport is a shuttle.
Yeah.
So I got dispatched. Go and get a shelf. Not a shelf. What are they called? A plate stand.
All right.
While I'm in there on a fool's errand, this ducked up to the eyeballs, weed smoking chav comes in and goes, "Hey mate," I can't language with that. "Hey mate, I've lost my Manc accent. Where's my Manc accent gone?" Hey mate, there we go. Hey mate, why was the filth after us yesterday? Why did they chase us down the street like? I've got scouts.
Yeah.
And the bloke goes, "They didn't. They weren't chasing you. They were chasing that other bloke."
Yeah.
So why were they waiting for us at our house? Then I got my accent back.
Yeah.
Why were they waiting for us at our house when I got home? And he went, "Well, I don't know, but they weren't chasing. They weren't chasing you, so you can do that."
2.5 miles.
And he went, "All right, yeah, of course, yeah. It must be for that other deal I did last week." Yes, probably. And he went, "Oh, that's sweet then, mate. All right, no probs. Yeah, I need some screws." It's like, oh right. So I was going to come in and kick off after I've had my spliff.
Yeah.
But since you did drop us in it,
Right, give us some screws.
I'll need some screws. Yeah.
only going as far as I can't remember where it's going as far as, but it's not going far enough before we back up like that. Yeah.
The idea was to go around Christmas and get back up on the jump.
No, yeah, I think we're already going so far now. And then, yeah. Yeah. Finger off again from that end of the bridge.
Alright, yeah.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Cheers.
See ya.
See ya.
Alright. Okay. Stop! What? On the heath? What? What? Oh, it's a butterfly, right. Where's it gone? It's over there. That's not it! What? Right. So there's another one. It's incredibly rare, that, is it? Right. It's completely different to the other one that looks exactly like it then, alright.
Something about painted ladies.
Okay.
And then he asked where I was in Manchester, where painting ladies is something completely different. Yeah, because then they sent Sharon Forrester up by herself the year after and she stalled it, yeah, that was it. So then they sent 8F up and not managed it, and then they sent K4 up and that stalled.
Yes. See, that can be a podcast. Your encyclopedic knowledge of failed engines. I think you should do that. While we're driving, you have Wikipedia or something. Lovely
I
orange.
don't get my information from Wiki!
Because it always relies on me remembering something and you filling in the blanks. I need something better than that.
Yeah.
So I'll do that. Remember that thing that happened? No. Well, yes you do. They'll all start like that. You weren't going to do it anyway.
No, because this is again one of your ideas where you plan on throwing something. You are the perfect producer. You have an idea and go, you do it. Do what? Exactly. Get it on.
Yeah. Here's a grand, do that.
Yeah. Do what? Exactly. Hurry up. God, take the thoughts out of my head and do what I say. If you were to put a
Train!
No, not a train.
Okay. Don't put a train.
If you were to put together a discussion that we could both join in on, so not the life of a hummingbird.
Every discussion I have to Wikipedia it because I'm thick. And I'm also driving at the same time, so it's...
Do some research the day before.
No, because I'm going to be like Michael Parkinson, but not as northern. He just goes and lets people witter. Ooh, clag. I like clag. There she goes.
Yep.
Wow, good shot. I like it there. That's nice, that. That's bloody nice location. Why didn't we go there?
4 miles. Turn right onto A470.
That is bloody gorgeous.
Hey, wow.
But a bloody...
Yeah, everybody's breaking it now.
For the viaduct. Oh, mate, I knew that was a good shot. It's worth it for me. Knew it. Bloody knew it.
Blenau Festiniog, the heart of Slate Country.
about the sleeper that didn't stop at Edinburgh. The coach's brakes failed, so the 92 that was, and they had to use the brakes on the 92, and it ended up at Haymarket before it stopped.
Oh yeah. Okay. Wow. Is that the new stock?
Yeah. The very same stock that also the brakes came on outside, just north of Crewe, and gave 6 coaches wheel flats.
Wow.
These Mark 5s are safe. Puffin Cafe's closed again.
What? What? No. No. What does? We need to know what that means.
Yeah. It probably means wet wall.
What was it written on the side? What is it? Coffee wench.
Coffee wench. No, you're not having a coffee wench. Your obsession with coffee is getting out of hand now. Yes, apparently a load of painted ladies flocked from the arm. See what he was telling me this morning. I see.
Oh, back up that again, are we?
Yes. I saw the orb and thought about it.
Okay.
So apparently there's lots of painted ladies on the orb at the moment. Disgraceful vandals target Great Orm with graffiti. That's nice.
Do they keep writing painted ladies everywhere?
Probably.
You look at coffee
wench.
Coffee wench, yeah. COFFEE, I think it is. It's E or EH.
There is a place called the Island Coffee Wench.
Oh, some of it.
It's in Galveston.
Galveston? What the hell's that?
Texas.
What be that?
Go on, give me your spelling. Give me your best Welsh spelling.
COF.
Yep.
IWEF.
Goff Windows Royalty.
Yeah. That's it. Say it. I knew it'd come up straight away.
It's a graffitied stone wall in. Author and journalist Mark Stephen originally painted the words onto a wall of a ruined cottage. The Remember Tryworn wall. Remember Tryworn is what he's saying.
Right.
Originally painted the words onto the wall of a ruined cottage in the early 1960s following the decision by the Liverpool City Council to flood Tryworn Valley to create the Lynn Colwyn Reservoir.
Is it the anniversary?
Due to its prominent location, stark messages and history of repeated vandalism, the wall has become an official landmark of Wales.
Bye-bye. Back up in the night. Has she got a stock safety valve?
Drain cock.